So all the student of class 3, just write down the maths, whatever I write on the board, okay, and try to answer the question with me. Okay, then number 2 number, write in words. Now it is in a figure. It is in a figure. It has been given rupees 8.20. Rupees 8.20 has been given in a figure form. Now you have to be write down it as a word. Okay. Now the third number, if I say like do some addition, okay, on money. So the simple addition that you have to be do. Rupees 50.25 minus 24.50. Okay. Now the fifth number math is multiplication. Okay. So now tell me that, can you do the maths? This types of math, can you do it, or I have to be help you? Sorry, it's class 3. Thank you. Okay, do it. Sixth number math is Anu pay rupees 2350 as monthly rent for her house. How much rent does she pay in 3 months? after complete the math, you can submit your classwork. And listen that in the all the classes, mean in other two section, maybe the revision means the whatever the math will be discussed, it can be different. So I will upload 3 classes video, so you will check all the videos, okay, because there you will find lots of new types of maths. Okay, side. We have to do story sum. Listen, this is not stories. Yeah, this is a story sum, stories. But as because in your exam it will be a short question, so only the answer you have to be choose. No, like maybe these types of maths can be there, and they will provide you 4 option, and which option will be correct, you have to be choose that. No need to write down the statement, you have to be just find out that how much rupees she will pay rent for 3 months or in 3 months. All are doing, or should I help you little bit? Okay, you can tell me the answer, na? Then I can write down on the board. Tell me the first answer. That 2850 paisa equal to how much rupees and how much paisa? Upayon, say it. Upayon, answer it. That how much rupees and how much paisa it will be? Okay, Triparna has answered it. Upayon, I am asking you. Shubhasri also, okay. 2850 what? Upayon 28 what and 50 what? That also you have to be say na. Which one is rupees and which one is paisa? You have to make it clear, isn't it? Yes, Nihanjana, it's not 5 paisa, it's 50 paisa. Okay, so as I told that up to 10 place you can write down as the part of paisa. So this is 1 and 10, so 50 will come on the place of paisa and rest of all this 28 comes at the rupees. Now number 2, Shubhasri will answer it. Write in words rupees 8.20. Shubhasri, tell me how you will write down it in word. Okay, Triparna, Tawfiq, all are correct. What about our Shubhasri? 8 rupees 20 paisa. Very good. Ma'am, we will write number. Is this question? Okay, I mean just you have to be do the calculation and you have to be tell me the answer, nothing else, because as well it's not pen paper exam, so I mean no statement, there is no place for write down statement, so only you have to be choose the option, correct option. So it's rupees and five. Okay. Shatik, are you here? Send me the third number answer. What the sum you got after adding rupees 15.80 and rupees 23.25? What the answer you got? Okay, if it is completed, send me the photocopy. And now it's Wahid. Sheikh Wahid has said that rupees 39.05. Okay, let's see. Now 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 8 is 10, so 0 is there, 1 carry. The next number, now here the decimal, so here we will put the decimal. Now 3 plus 5 is 8 and 8 plus carry 1 is 9. Now 2 plus 1 is 3 and now it's rupees. Now it's 39.05. Okay. Now the subtraction. Now it's the time for the subtraction. We have to subtract rupees 24.50 from rupees 50.25. So 5 minus 0 is 5. Now 2 is smaller than 5, so that's why this 2 will become 12, and that's it is 10. Now it will become 9, isn't it? So after 5, if you count, you will get 5, 10, 11, 12, 7 finger. Now it's 5. So 25.75. 25.75. Okay. Now the fifth number answer. You have to be multiply rupees 8.50 with 2. You have to be multiply this part. Okay. Now 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10, so 0 is there and 1 carry. Now see, this point will come here. 2 8s are 16 plus carry 1 is 17. As because here after decimal there is two digit, so here also from this side, after 2 digit, the decimal will come here. Okay. Now it's 17 rupees. Now it's the 6 number math. Now say me, for find out the answer of 6 number math, what the formula you will apply, student? What is the formula that you will apply? Chorish, which answer you tell me, beta? 70.50. Okay. Why the point? Multiply. Okay. So Anu pay 2,350 rupees. There is no, total is in rupees. There is no paisa. As monthly rent for her house. So how much rent does she pay in 3 months? So what we have to be do? So simply, first of all, we all know that whenever we want to find out something more than 1, we have to be do multiplication. Okay, very good. So if we do the multiplication, 2,350 multiply with 3. Okay, now see here I do the multiplication. Rupees 2,350 multiply with 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 5s are 15. 5 is there, 1 carry. 3 3s are 9 plus carry 1 is 10. 0 is there and 1 carry. Now 3 2s are 6 and is 7. So in 3 months she will pay 7,050 rupees. Okay, Shorish, there is no decimal, beta. So you can't write down. Shubhasri also write down rupees and paisa. Why you write down rupees and paisa? Because the total amount has been given in rupees. There is no paisa. Look at here, rupees 2,350. Have you find out any decimal over there that you will convert it as a paisa? There is no decimal. Look at here, there is decimal. Then only you can say that rupees 8.20, but there is no decimal. And also there is no paisa. That's why, okay.